Well, I'm up at the ceiling level and you can see our recess box is installed. We have it using the hanger bars between the joists. In your box, you'll get a couple of different options for installation. Some butterfly brackets, you'll also get some conduit. So just really make sure you read the instructions carefully and use the appropriate parts for your installation. What our installer has chosen to do here is he's installed the lighting module just to make sure all of the wiring is correct before the drywall goes up. So the module will be disconnected shortly before the electrical inspection and then reinstalled after the drywall. One thing that's really handy with these, we're using a square. So in order to make sure that everything is actually square, the opening comes on a swivel with some set screws. Our installer used a chalk line and was able to make sure that all three of our recesses are cleanly lined up and everything will look perfectly square at the finish.